Think your snowblower's job is done once your driveway is clear? Before you put that snowblower away, there are a few simple steps that can make a huge difference in its performance and lifespan. Welcome to WholeToolBox. First, let your snowblower cool down by idling for 30 to 60 seconds. Sudden temperature changes can damage the engine, just like a car after a race. Next, brush off any excess snow and ice from the chute and exterior panels using a snow brush or leaf blower, but avoid touching the augers immediately, as they may still be hot or rotate slightly. Once cooled, store your snowblower properly inside a garage or shed, and if it's on concrete, place it on a mat or wooden blocks to prevent rust or water damage. Before long-term storage, melt any hidden ice in the auger housing by pointing a small space heater at it for about 20 minutes, then let the machine dry completely. Finally, apply a protective coating like silicone spray or WD-40 to the chute, auger housing, and metal surfaces to prevent rust and snow buildup. Follow these 5 steps every time you use your snowblower to keep it running smoothly season after season. Visit WholeToolBox.com to find top-quality essential parts for your snowblower from trusted brands. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.